tracking refers to the process of collecting customer data by tracking the behavior of customers who visit or make a purchase on your website. Tracking your online store will allow you to collect critical information like where your customers come from, what part of your website they're interacting with, and what they do before and after a purchase. All this data can be used to improve your user experience and drive more revenue to your business. Hi, I'm Alejandra. I'm a Community Management Coordinator at Whiteshirt Media, and I am happy to give you some insights into how e-commerce tracking works and why it is so important. Benefits of e-commerce tracking. It helps you to better understand your target audience. An important aspect of e-commerce is analyzing the browsing behavior of your online store visitors. E-commerce tracking metrics provide you with valuable insights into customers' preferences, and you can also see where customers get stuck, confused, or frustrated during this visit to your website. 2. It allows you to find out why customers are abandoning your site. Identifying pain points in a customer's visit to your website is vital. Statistics have shown that the average online cart abandonment rate is 69%, a relatively high percentage. Several factors contribute to customers abandoning their online shopping carts, but the checkout process is the most common. However, businesses will not know why their customers are abandoning their website until their behavior is tracked. Therefore, with the data collected from e-commerce tracking, you can rectify pain points and reduce the abandonment rate. 3. It provides a positive user experience. E-commerce tracking is essential to know which are the most or least popular pages on your website. In addition, it will help you identify potential content-related issues. With this kind of data, you will be able to make better decisions to improve the user's experience on your website and consequently encourage the customers to continue buying from your business. How to start tracking. Most e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento offer a certain level of e-commerce tracking. However, integrating your website with Google Analytics is the best way to track your customers' data. E-commerce tracking with Google Analytics. Google Analytics is an important tool for e-commerce tracking. It enables you to gather in-depth statistical data from your website's visitors. Also, it provides different metrics and reports to help you understand your customers' behaviors and track the numbers of transactions. Google Analytics takes only a few clicks to set up, and the exact steps depend on your website. Additionally, with the recent shift of Google Analytics 4, the analytical tools are now more accurate and simpler to use. E-commerce tracking metrics. Up to this point, we have covered the concept of e-commerce tracking and the tools that you can use to implement it. So now, let's focus on the metrics that you can analyze while tracking online sales. Metrics help you to measure the overall performance of a business. Here are some of the most popular and important e-commerce metrics. Conversion rate. This is the percentage of total sales completed against website visitors. Average order value. This represents the average total of every order placed. Cart abandonment rate. This one tracks when customers add items to their cart but don't complete the order. Bounce rate is the percentage of people leaving your website after landing. You can use this to identify any immediate issues or delays with your website's appearance. Engagement. This one determines how long people spend on your website pages, where they click, and if they return and share your products. So, are you ready to start tracking your e-commerce? Now that you know the basics, you can take action and enable tracking to increase the number of transactions on your website. Keep in mind that tracking your e-commerce will help you to gather and analyze data, identify which aspects need more attention, and enhance the experience of your website. If you need help with this, don't hesitate to reach out to a team that can help you set up and manage your e-commerce tracking. How useful did you find this information? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications bell for best practices and tips in e-commerce. Thank you for watching. Bye!